5 of the nation's sporting icons have been listed for awards on National Heroes Day in October, including 1 national women's footballer and 2 Olympians. Here's Renata Brown.
To receive the Order of Distinction in the rank of officer class is Khadija Bunny Shaw, who was the leading goal scorer across the globe in World Cup qualifying, before leading the attack for the Jamaican women at their first ever FIFA World Cup in France 2019. The 23-year-old also holds the record for the most international goals for Jamaica when she achieved the feat against the U.S. Virgin Islands at the National Stadium in October. 2019 also saw Shaw be listed as one of the top 100 female footballers by British newspaper The Guardian's International Edition. Leading the list is 9-time Olympic medalist Merlene Ottey, who is set to receive Jamaica's 4th highest national honor, the Order of Jamaica OJ. Ottey, a 14-time World Championship medal winner who previously received the Order of Distinction, will join the likes of cricketer Courtney Walsh, fellow sprint icon Usain Bolt, as well as track and field coaches Glenn Mills and Stephen Francis as sporting personalities to be bestowed with the Order of Jamaica. Meanwhile, Diane Hemmings-McCarthy, the nation's first woman to mine gold at the Olympics when winning the 400-meter hurdles at the 1996 Atlanta Games, is set to receive the Order of Distinction in the rank of Commander class. Other sporting personalities to receive the Order of Distinction in the rank of Officer class are former 4-time champion jockey Amelia Rodriguez and former Reggae Boys manager Howard Bell. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.
In the meantime, the Jamaica Football Federation, the JFF, in a statement today said it was extremely pleased about the recognition for Khadija Bunny Shaw, Howard Juicy Bell, and Sidella Marley. The JFF said Shaw and Marley's appointments suitably reflect the significant achievement of Jamaica's national senior women's team as the first Caribbean team to qualify for the FIFA Women's World Cup. Bell has served the JFF in various capacities for 26 years and also represented the national senior team as a player. The statement also praised the Reggae Girls ambassador Marley, who is also set to receive the award of Order of Distinction in the rank of Commander class. Marley was singled out for her contribution to the nation's women's program, which the JFF says has helped to bring global awareness to the sport of football for women in the country.